Hello and welcome to this short addendum where I want to show you a bit of the details behind this application in case you want to build something similar. So first, the standard playground, so to say, to play a bit chess, where you can basically embed a chessboard here. This works with the help here of PCF that I downloaded from GitHub. You see the source is fritzchessbase.com, and on this website there is a guidance how to implement that, what to look out for. So that's pretty easy. Then we have here this next best move flow. So this one here that we used to analyze the picture and then get a recommendation. So the flow behind that is this one here, next best move. So what does it do? Well, it runs a desktop flow that takes a screenshot. It uploads the screenshot to these files, to this folder here, and then that's this one here. That's the help image JPEG, and then from there we take it and then use here the prompt. We use a prompt. The prompt is the following. It's this one. So we say I am white. I'm playing a chess game. Here is the picture. And that's the new functionality that I used also in the previous post, where we basically did a kind of document processing in a different way, but this time with this chessboard. And then after a while I found out, hey, I get some funny suggestions. So I said, okay, here is a file that gives you the rules of chess, of playing chess. And what did I do here? Well, I tried here this one. That's basically from chess.com and explains the chess rules, what you can do and what's allowed and so on. I also tried with the information that is available on Wikipedia, put it here, but I would say the experience is, well, so la la. Sometimes it gives you some good recommendations, sometimes not, sometimes it mixes positions. So I would say at the moment, this kind of prompt is not very well suited. And of course, I mean, it's not specially trained for playing chess. So that's something I would like to check out in half a year or something. But this basically gives us this first result. It will be set to a variable here, and then I have a text box that basically just takes the result from the flow. So from here, I have a response, the next best move, and that's it. So, well, this was a nice try to see how good are the large language models already. And the second thing is here, I have the same. In the middle is the same chessboard, but now I have here a different flow that is called special. Why is it called special? Well, let's see. That's the special flow. Again, I'm using here the screenshot. I take a screenshot of the chessboard, put it there, and then I use a different prompt. And at this time, the prompt, let's try to find it, is this one here. So it says, hey, take the special chessboard screenshot. So basically the same as before, but now you use this Fen notation. Fen, this is this thing here for the Edwards notation, and it allows it basically to illustrate a chessboard in this kind of funny notation. And here we saw, sometimes the bishops were not correct. Sometimes the knights were not correct because the figures look very similar on this small screenshot maybe. And also the model is not really trained for creating this special kind of chess notation. But anyway, if you have this special chess notation, I put it here in a separate field. And this is then used to trigger a second flow. Where I use a chess database. And the chess database that I use is, let's try to find it. This one here, I make an HTTP call to ChessDB. That's a public available chess database. So you just basically post here the query. You see here, that's the Fen notation. You just put it here. That's the API. And then you get a feedback and you get a kind of suggested next best move which is shown here. And if the board is invalid, of course, you see that here. Yeah. Okay, so that's it for what I showed you. But now, I mean, if you're not so happy with the experience that you get, yeah, maybe you can play a chess match. Yeah, there's also a match functionality that's also available. Again, let me show you how I did that. This is basically now a different source. You say playchessbase.com and you need a room. And the room is just a number, can be anything. You just put it here. Let me show you. So you just give here the room, so let's say 777. Then you select something. Yeah, so you select a short match, maybe 5 minutes. Yeah. I am the player here with this ID, so 152 something. So I put it here so that my opponent will know what I am. So I have 152, 53, 134. And now I put it to lreinhardt@microsoft.com. I sent the invite. And now if we go to my mailbox, we should see an invitation. So let's see if it shows up. Should not take too long. So you see it here. There's the invitation. So you can open this hyperlink here. Well, basically it took it out because of security reasons. So I have to paste it. And then you see here, there is an, yeah, kind of invitation. There should be something, yeah. And now you can say, okay, accept it. And now you can basically play chess. So basically, this one is making a move. Yeah. And now I want to have black. Yeah. I go back to my Power App. So I'm now black. I make this move. Okay. Now again, let's go back. I am Ludwig, Microsoft. I'm making this move. Now I'm going back to my Power App. Well, I'm now black and I make a funny move, move the king here, and so on. So you can really play chess if you want, just by implementing this out of the box PCF. Yeah, add a room ID, send an invite with a Power Automate flow, and then you are ready to go. And the cool thing is, don't forget, that's something you can implement into your Dynamics application. So if you feel boring during a lunch break or at night, feel free to use this kind of app and play a bit chess. So thanks for watching and listening. And as usual, if you have questions, reach out. Take care until next time.